We've come to this community, this school, and we've helped put together a water tower for people that don't have clean water and help to educate the children here on germs and how much clean water means to them.
As Watts, we dedicate ourselves to having clean water all around the world and helping everyone have water. So this is something that our company focuses on. And as we have been here before, we came in November when it first impacted the island, so we're coming back. So this is a continuous project for Watts. So this is something that we can all be proud of. We really enjoyed interacting with the kids, like she mentioned, and helping them learn about good germs and bad germs and how they can maintain it clean. Not just drinking water, but keeping their hands clean to help them with the germs and maintain. For me, coming back to Puerto Rico is a wonderful opportunity as I was born and raised here. So being able to come and help my country in such dire need, it's such a blessing for myself and my heart. And I'm very, very proud to do it.
For me, it's the same. It's a great opportunity to be part of the team because this is Puerto Rico. I born in Puerto Rico, and I'm blessed because I'm here today helping. And I know the kids, they're going to have a clean water.
It's just great. I'm excited to be here, and I'm really proud to work for a company that cares and is willing to send people to help out in communities in need.